guys, welcome back to my channel. It's B here, and if you're just seeing this face for the first time, thank you and welcome. Guys, it's Sunday and today I'm going to church. So yeah, let's go.
Oh, yeah. Look at my hands up. Kimake be cherubim. Tabi seraphim. Munilawa ho. Lawa timo ayo. Mani mofisha shoda. Your mercy, your goodness. Ni ma figara and I feel it. Oh, I see it. Gratitude is it. Oh, and so with everything in the air.
So I'll be making this for lunch. This is catfish. It's really frozen, and some yam. So here's my food already. I'm ready to eat now. This is what it looks like. Yum yum. H&M. I need a jeans. Guys, so I'm at H&M right now. I need a pair of jeans and I'll just be looking through to see if there's anyone I like here. So I have 3 pair of jeans I'm gonna be trying. Let's see. So this is option 1. I like it, but it's kind of too tight in the hips area. It's too snug on me. I would prefer something a bit loose. This is what it looks like. Doesn't have too much opening at the back, which is fine. Yeah, it's not a bad choice, but I think I'll prefer something not so tight. Yeah. This is option 2. The previous one was also a size 10 and this is a size 10 as well, but this one is just too big. Look at this. The opening at the back is a lot. I just don't like the fit on me here. I want something loose here, but this isn't it. I don't like the fit at all. Just looks somehow looks funny, looks baggy, and it's not flattering at all. No, this is not it. Nope. This is the third one. It's also a size 10. I kind of like the fit of this one, but like I said, I do not want something very tight. This is tight. It's nice. Like, well, I do not just want something this tight. I want something that has like the mom jeans fit or something just slightly loose on the hips area. So we don't have a winner, guys. This is my best option, but I don't want something tight, so I may have to look for other ones. Yeah. I want to get some yogurts, Greek yogurt specifically. So many options. So I chose this. I've never tried this before, but I'm just gonna try it. I want to try to get more proteins, especially for my breakfast. So I'm just gonna try this and see. So I have my smoothies in. On to the next area. So I got all of that here. So here's everything I got, and that's it for today. Time to pay up and leave. Waiting for my Uber, and it's still raining. Hey guys, hi. So it's my husband's birthday, and I'm heading to the mall now to get him a gift. So yeah, let's go. Seen this, I kind of like this one. So many options here. Hi guys. So I did not find his size. I'm just in M&S now to get a polo for him before I head to another store to find the sneakers I want. So yeah, let's go. Bag secured, guys. So heading to the next stop now for the sneakers again. Secured. Package secured, guys. They wanted to charge me another extra 49 pence for this bag, and I said no. So I just put everything in the M&S bag I got previously. Hi guys, so it's another Sunday and I'm headed to church. And in the previous video I asked you guys for suggestions on the kind of videos you want to see on my channel, and someone mentioned fashion videos, and luckily this day I did film a get ready with me. So even though this was filmed for TikTok, I thought to drop a glimpse of what the video looked like on here for you guys to see. If you like to watch the full video, you can check it out on TikTok. I'm going to drop my handle on the screen so you can know my handle and check it out. My base to be a white top, so I have two options for the white top, and I need you guys to choose for me which one is better. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be showing you guys the two options now. So yeah, so here is option one. It's just a basic white top, and this is option two. Hi guys, so I've just received a package from Nigeria. DHL just got this delivered, and it actually contains hairs for customers here in the UK. And yeah, that's what's in here. I'm going to be, is it unwrapping or unraveling the package?